Alright, we're doing a quick little video on the Jet 20-inch step pulley drill press. It's model JDP20MF. It's got a 16 by 18 inch table which can swivel. I can get a max of 29 inches between the spindle and the table. And we're just going to do a little drilling test. We got a 31/64 drill bit, a 1/2 inch piece of steel there. We do have a pre-drilled hole, and we're going to go ahead and test it out. Now, we're not on the most solid base here, but we get a good idea. Nice drill presses with some world-class warranties and customer service. We'll have a link in the description to buy this here Jet drill press. Let us know if you have any questions.